Have you seen any of these dangerous hombres on this wanted poster? If so, there might be a reward in it for you.
I'm a complete beginner looking to improve my palate and learn more about bourbon, so come along with me.
My wife asks when she's going to the liquor store to get some wine, hey, what bourbons are you looking for? What should I look for? And sometimes she'll call me and say, hey, I found something. It's like, no, that's pretty much just the normal stuff. So I wanted to give her a way that she could really easily tell if there's something there that I might be interested in. So I figured, well, hey, why not just make a wanted poster? So I just took a little template that I found online and went to some online sites and got some images and some information about different things, like, of course, Pappy Van Winkle and Blanton's and Elmer T. Lee and Eagle Rare and some of the other things that I really want to have. And just made a little poster that she can keep with her, and she's got a copy of this on her phone. So if she goes to to Specs or Total Wine, she can say, hey, do you have any of these? And if they do, hey, she'll either pick it up if it's under a price that I've set, or she'll give me a call. Maybe you'll say, hey, we found this. Do you want it or not? So this is something you might think of if you're looking for some bourbons. You go into the liquor store and you feel, what if I see something and I should have picked that up, and now I realize all of a sudden, oh yeah, I saw it but I didn't pick it up, and now I realize, gosh, that was one of those really rare bourbons. So I know that you have this fear of missing out, because I know I do, and because everybody wants to find Blanton's, and E.H. Taylor is what I'm looking for now. But don't spend too much money. Don't spend more than you can afford. But make a little wanted poster, give it to your family. Tell them, hey, if they see it, pick it up for you, and you'll reimburse them for it. Maybe buy them dinner. So it's just a good way to have some scouts out there, looking for these dangerous hombres. All right, let's drink a little bourbon. All right, as part of my Palate Improvement Project, I've been drinking Old Tub for the past week, and it is a Beam product, and it's bottled and bond, and I think this was supposedly the original bourbon that the Beam family made, and Uncle Nearest told them how to make it, and so it's supposedly got a real heritage. It was supposed to be kind of a limited edition, but it's pretty easy to find, at least now. It's about $20 a bottle. And it's not bad. It's bottled and bond. It's 100 proof, so 4 years old. Sweet smell. And I'm tasting some of that peanut flavor that people say that you taste with basically any Beam product. But it's pretty good. And it's just got a little bit of bite on the end. Not really bite, but maybe a heat. But no, it's pretty good. Do a little bit over ice. That corn taste, and you kind of taste a little bit like that peanut taste. At least I think I do. But still working on my palate. So that was Old Tub. Okay, so now going to move to another bottle and bond, and this is a Heaven Hill product, and it's J.W. Dant. It is bottled and bond, so it's 100 proof, and my friend David from my whiskey den said that this is miles better than Evan Williams. Palate Bond. And everyone had told me before, and I tried this before, and it's really good, but that this was the ultimate bargain bottled and bond. So he said this is light years ahead of this. So I'm going to go ahead and try these head to head. So let's go ahead and try the Evan Williams. Now I've had this before. As you can see, this is one of the Palate Improvements from several weeks ago. I'm going to try it. It has that sweetness. And both of these are Heaven Hill, and I think they're actually both the same mash bill. So I guess they're just different barrels stored in different places, but they should be aged about the same, about 4 years. It has a sweetness. I would actually say it's a lot sweeter than the old tub, for sure. I can taste that vanilla. Maybe just a tiny bit of heat on the back, but really, really smooth. Okay, let's try this JW Dant. And I'll be drinking this over the course of the week, and then come back next week and give my impressions again after drinking it for a week. So let's go ahead and do that. You know, it smells the same to me. Let me try this another one again. Maybe a little more oaky? Okay, let's try this again. It smells a little different. Maybe just a little more oaky, a little more woody, but other than that, it's kind of identical. Let's try it over ice, at least to me. It's really good. It's not really sweet, but it's got a pretty good flavor. I mean, I think it's maybe I'm tasting the caramel and the oak. Not really much vanilla. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and drink this over the course of the week, and then come back and do another tasting and smell and just see if my palate's changed, if I'm noticing anything different in this bourbon. If you'd like to do this, come along with me. Pick a bourbon that you have or that you've been wanting to try. Taste it, smell it. What tastes are you getting? What notes are you perceiving? And then drink it over the course of a week. Come back and try it again and just see if your palate's changed and if you're tasting anything different. It doesn't have to be the bourbon that I choose. Could be a different bourbon, or if you want to try this, actually it's pretty good and it's pretty inexpensive. It was a little hard to find. I had to look for a while and finally found this at a Twin Liquors here in San Antonio. But it was about $20 for this is a $175, so not too bad price. It's about as much as the Evan Williams, and I know there's another one JTS Brown, I think. That's also very similar to this. Maybe has a little bit, is supposed to be a little sharper. But this is pretty good. So if you'd like to do that, and we can work on our palates together. In the meantime, drink responsibly and enjoy.